a new study across Russia and neighboring countries reveals a significant shift in the stablecoin market. A7A5, a ruble-backed stablecoin, is capturing a growing share of the digital asset space. In a survey of 1,000 participants, 53.7% identified A7A5 as the most significant alternative to dollar-based stablecoins like Tether and USD Coin. This indicates a clear shift in user preference, especially in Russia, where A7A5 is gaining traction at the expense of USDT and USDC. The study projects that A7A5 could command about 41% of the non-dollar stablecoin market by 2026. Its market capitalization is already at $550 million, and its transaction volume has surpassed $100 billion since early 2025. This growth is driven by its ruble peg, which aligns with local economic conditions and regulatory preferences in the region. A7A5 is issued by the Kyrgyzstan-based Old Vector platform, with ruble reserves held at PSB Bank in Russia. The Russian payments company A7 provides the underlying infrastructure for A7A5, and its majority shareholder is Ilan Shor, a Moldovan and Russian businessman. The rise of A7A5 is reshaping the stablecoin landscape in the region. Its closest competitor, EURC, a euro-backed stablecoin, holds about 32% of the market. Both A7A5 and EURC. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Are challenging the dominance of US dollar-based stablecoins like USDC and USDT. This shift is not just about market share. It reflects broader changes in how users in Russia and neighboring countries are engaging with digital assets. The growing preference for local or euro-backed stablecoins suggests a move toward regional economic sovereignty and reduced reliance on the US dollar in crypto transactions. Survey data also reveals that 57.4% of Russian users employ cryptocurrencies in commercial transactions. Nearly all participants, 96.3%, view crypto as a store of value. This underscores the importance of stablecoins like A7A5 in facilitating everyday transactions and preserving purchasing power in an environment where fiat currency can be volatile. The majority of digital assets are kept in decentralized wallets, with 56% of users preferring this method of storage. The entities tied to A7A5 face regulatory scrutiny due to Western sanctions. Kyrgyzstan-based exchanges like Grinex have been targeted in these measures, highlighting the geopolitical tensions surrounding the stablecoin's operations. Despite these challenges, A7A5's transaction volume has continued to grow, suggesting strong user adoption and resilience in the face of external pressures. The rise of A7A5 also reflects broader trends in crypto usage in Russia, as users seek alternatives to US dollar-based stablecoins. Local and euro-backed options are gaining traction. This trend is driven by a combination of economic factors, regulatory preferences, and the need for stable value in a volatile market. The success of A7A5 indicates that there is a growing demand for stablecoins that align with local currencies and economic conditions. For investors and analysts, the next signal to watch is whether A7A5 can maintain its momentum as it faces regulatory and geopolitical headwinds. The stablecoin's ability to sustain its market share and transaction volume will depend on its ability to navigate these challenges and continue providing. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A reliable and stable alternative to dollar-based stablecoins. The competition with EURC will also be a key factor in determining the future of the non-dollar stablecoin market in the region. The broader implications of this shift are significant. As more users adopt A7A5 and other non-dollar stablecoins, the global crypto market could see a fragmentation of stablecoin usage along regional lines. This could lead to the emergence of multiple stablecoin ecosystems, each tailored to specific economic and regulatory environments. For now, A7A5's growth and market share indicate that it is becoming a key player in the Russian and neighboring crypto markets.